choosing the right word, which, versus what. Hello there, learners. In this video, we are going to delve into the fascinating world of interrogative pronouns, and specifically focus on the commonly confused words, which, and what. Understanding when to use which and what can elevate your English communication skills. So, let's dive in. Firstly, let's talk about what these words mean. Which and what are both interrogative pronouns, and we use them to ask questions. What is used when the choices are unknown or infinite, while which is used when the choices are known, limited, or specified. Here's a simple example. You say, "What is your name?" because there are potentially billions of names from which to choose. On the other hand, you ask, "Which is your car?" when you're standing in a parking lot because there's a limited number of cars to choose from. One common mistake is using which when there are many possible answers, especially when the options are not presented. Similarly, using what when the options are known and limited is also a mistake. Incorrect usage: which is your favorite color? Correct usage: what is your favorite color? The first question is incorrect because there are too many colors in the world. The second question is correct because what is used when there is an unlimited choice. Remembering these tips can help avoid confusion. If the number of choices is limited and known, use which. If the number of choices is unlimited or unknown, use what. Always think about the context and the number of possible answers to your question. That's it for today's lesson on which versus what. By understanding these differences, you can make your English sound more natural and correct. So, the next time you form a question, pause for a second to think. Is it a which situation or a what situation? Happy learning, and see you in the next video.